In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows PC to factory settings. Now, how do you reset your Windows PC to factory settings? It's quite simple. Just head over to Start menu and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, select System. This will open a new window with various options. Scroll down and click on the Recovery tab. Next, click on Reset PC. You'll be presented with two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. If you choose to keep your files, Windows will remove Install Apps and Settings, but keep your personal files. If you want a complete web, choose the Remove Everything option. We will go with the first option. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Cloud download or local reinstalled? Cloud download allows you to keep your programs and files after reinstalling, whereas local reinstall will not. We will go with cloud download. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your decision. Once you are ready, click on the Reset button. Your PC may restart several times during this process. Don't worry, it's all part of the reset process. Once the reset is finished, Windows will be restored to its original state, just like when you first got it. And that's it. Your Windows PC has now been reset, giving you a fresh start and a clean slate to work with. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more useful guides like this. See you in the next video.